Morning dear students. This video is the continuation video of chapter 12 conjunction for standard 7 children. Subordinating conjunction. As I already taught you about subordinating conjunction in the previous video. What is a subordinating conjunction? Subordinating conjunction is that conjunction which joins or connects an independent clause or a main clause with a dependent clause or a subordinate clause. Now, subordinating conjunction can be of different type based on dependent clause. What is a dependent clause? As I already told you in the previous video, it is a group of words which has a finite verb, subject and main clause to complete its meaning. Now let's see. Subordinating conjunction introducing noun clause. Noun clause that acts as a noun in a sentence. It can be a subject, object or complement of the verb. For example, he said that he was not interested in meeting her. He said that, which is the subordinating conjunction. That is the subordinating conjunction. He said that he was not interested in meeting her. Subordinating conjunction introducing adverb clause. An adverb clause acts as an adverb or it provides additional information about the verb in the main clause. Like for example, although he was angry with his friends, Amit did not shout at them. Now, these are some types of clauses and the subordinating conjunction used with it. So, the first type of clause is adverb clause of time, which shows when the action was carried out by the verb. So, the subordinating conjunction used are when, whenever, before, after, till, since, as well as soon as. For example, we will inform you when we receive the books. I called her as soon as I got to know the result. Adverb clause of place, which shows the place where the action was carried out by the verb. Subordinating conjunction used are where, wherever. For example, he bought the shirt from a shop where there was a sale. You will find people of Indian origin wherever you go in the world. Adverb clause of purpose, which shows the purpose or the reason why the action indicated in the verb is carried out. Some of the subordinating conjunction used are so that, least. For example, she made the travel arrangement early so that they did not face problem later. She made the travel arrangement early, the purpose so that they did not face problem later. Don't get wet in the rain lest you catch a cold. Adverb clause of condition, it shows the condition under which the action was carried out by the verb. Some of the subordinating conjunction used are if, unless. For example, you can chat with us if you have the time. Your assignment will not be graded unless you submit it on time. Adverb clause of manner, it shows how the action indicated by the verb is carried out. Some of the subordinating conjunction used are as, as if. Example, you should do as you are told. She looked at me as if I were a stranger. Adverb clause of comparison. They show comparison in degree or manner. The subordinating conjunction used are as or then. Example, Sunil is as tall as Rahman. Mary is more hardworking than Ritu. Adverb clause of concession or contrast. Some of the subordinating conjunction used are though, although, even if. For example, you will not find a more generous person than Manish even if you search the whole world. Although it was late, I stayed up to finish my homework. Adverb clause of cause or reason. Adverb clause of cause or reason. It shows the reason why the action indicated in the verb is carried out. Some of the subordinating conjunction used are because, since, as. For example, he reached home late because of the traffic. Since he is unwell, he cannot meet you now. Adverb clause of result or consequence, which shows the result of the action of a verb. The subordinating conjunction used are so, that, or such, that. It rained so heavily that we had to postpone our trip. It was such a hot day that we could not step out of the house. Correlative conjunction. Correlative conjunctions are such that connects two or more statements or words of equal importance. They are such conjunction that work in pairs to join word, clauses or phrases. Correlative conjunctions are such conjunction that always work in pair to connect the word, phrase or clauses. Some common correlative conjunctions are neither nor, either or, not only but also, no sooner than, hardly when, rather than. Now let's see these examples, how they are used, how the correlative conjunctions are used in pairs. Say, hardly had he finished cooking when the guests arrive. He neither came nor did he send a message. I have not decided whether to take up painting or poetry. You can pay either by check or credit card. Not only is he a great player, but he is also a humble person. Although she started early, yet she reached late because of the heavy rain. Whether you want to join our team or theirs is your decision. So correlative conjunctions are that conjunction that connects or connects word, clauses or phrases that work in pairs. Okay. Now here are a few more examples of correlative conjunction. You can go through these examples. Like for example, I had hardly closed my eyes when she came. He is such a smart boy that he passes his maths exam successfully. Neither George nor his brother is very tall. He must do it whether he likes it or not. He is not singing as loudly as he can. I would rather go out than stay at home today. Scarcely had I gone to bed when the doorbell rang. Michael can both read and write. Not only Mary but also Gabriel is from Italy. I can have either cola or tea. Her story isn't so boring as theirs. We had no sooner gone to bed than the phone rang. The more you can dream, the more you can do. My mother speaks so quickly that nobody understands what she says. Thank you, children.